Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you a method which is free to use that allows you to know what is trending on YouTube. This is a free method. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over to my YouTube platform, which is Marlon McLeod. Now, when you come over to the traditional platform of just your YouTube interface and you tap in, say, how to bake, and this is just an example, bake a cake. Now you're going to get a lot of results based on many factors of what you have been typing in previously and factors based on your location on the globe. So I would recommend that you do not use this if you want to know what's trending. This is an option that you can use, but I would say there's a option which is greater and freer than this one. So here you can just get the normal insights of what's trending from various things that you have been searching for and things in your area. But I'm going to give you a method which is free and from my experience is more effective and more precise. So what we're going to do, we're going to go over to incognito mode, where we're going to check what's trending on YouTube and the internet in general in terms of what video to produce. So we're going to go and we're going to type Google to get to that platform. Now on typing Google, we're going to type in YouTube, right? We're going to tap on YouTube. Now mine is currently in Arabic. Let me just put it over in English for you. Come on, English. Go to the English section here. Okay, no worries. I'll just keep it in Arabic. Let me just change it to English here. Okay, this is the English interface on the incognito mode on my computer. So I'm going to tap on YouTube. Now on tapping on this is going to give me a fresh interaction with the platform of YouTube. It's not going to go over or link to what I've been searching previously. It's going to give me a clean interface so I can know what's trending. So we're going to type in how to bake. Now what happens, look at this, all these are popped up, and this is giving me a more accurate approach to what videos were trending or niche or trending at the current time. So at current, this is the highest one, how to bake a cake. After that, you have the different types of search based on the keyword. So do this, and what you can do, you can create videos around each of these one by one, and when you're done, you can just tap on space and go through the alphabet. So you'll say, for example, A, and it gives you all the how to bake a cake, A. Then when you're done, you can go to B, and it gives you how to bake bread, blah, 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 going down. Then when you're done with B, you can go to C. And this gives you a general trend of what's happening and what videos to produce around these titles, which is very important. So this is a free method that I've just shown you. There are many softwares that are in the market that shows you how to get the information with a subscription, and because I'm a nice guy, I'm just giving you this content for free. So don't forget to go to the incognito mode and do your search on YouTube. In that way, you can see what's trending and what to create your videos around. So I hope you've gotten a lot from this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like the content, share it, and chat with you in the next video. Bye.